today, Sassycajun here. Today we have a sticker trade swap from Collector's Conquest. We have a soda trade from Frog Pop Fanatic and an A-OK from More Life and Travels. She was supposed to send me some stickers, their new swag, and this is the box I got. She sent me a tracking number, and I said, you were just supposed to send stickers. She said, well, I had a box, I wanted to put them in, the stickers in, and then I thought, well, why not just fill the box? So that was very sweet of them to send that over. So I've been doing sticker trades lately, which I need to get my stickers out. This is from Collector's Conquest. They put it in a Ziploc. Let's see. It's cute because they put Mario, some kind of I don't wanna reveal their address. Some kind of monster eating something or another, and then Batman. Love the stamp too. The stamp is cool. It's Christmas. Alrighty, let's see what I got. Alright, ooh. Make sure I got everything out. Alright. So we got a small one, the bigger one. I love this sticker, it's so cool. And we got a magnet. We got a magnet to put on the refrigerator across the room. So excited for that. Thank you, sir. We'll be getting your swag out soon. That's a good idea to put in a Ziploc. I may have to do that too. Alright, so this is from Frog Pop Fanatic. He was looking for a certain soda, and there's a few he wants, different ones he wanted, and I had some, and he had some extra commons of, I want to say, I can't remember which one it is now, and so I said, well, I have a common soda you want, and we'll just trade. And he said, okay, cool. So he sent me a list of the different ones he wants, and when I locate it, I will send it to him. And he always puts extra, so I definitely was expecting. Let's see. Got a little note. Hi, Sassy. Glad we could work out another trade. I always like trading with you, my friends. Appreciate you. Look forward to more trades and more box bottles. Stay awesome, my friend Frog Pop, aka Rob. His little froggies, and then he always puts stickers in. Love it. Eating the hot dog. Ooh. The Universal Monsters. Love that. Aww. Froggy and a heart. It's pink. Cute. Ooh. We have a Shining. We have another, I think, like, kind of like frog, strawberry looking thing. Oh, cool. Okay, so this says Michael's Delights, and it's Michael cooking, making cookies, and if you look on the cookie sheet, come on, focus. Doggone, I wish you could see it. There it is. There's Pennywise, Scream, Jason, Billy, and I want to say Maybe a Michael too, I don't know. And then we got a huge Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. No, this is stupid. Man, I can't think. My brain is just not working right now. The artist series limited to 1,000 pieces. Oh, well, that's cool. From Poptopia. My brain is just. So please tell me at the bottom. I know it's not the Ninja Turtles. Duh. It's the my brain. This is a Funko Brr, the Boo Hollow little kitty cat with the wings, a bat cat, and the soda. Oh wait. There's a ooh. There's a Wednesday pin. That's amazing. That's exciting. I'm excited about that. I wasn't able to get her pop that just came out, so I'm excited to get that. And the soda is Predator. I was able to get the chase, but not the common. With on I Want This Stuff's Whatnot auction. So I'm sure you've seen it 1,000 times, but the detail is sick. Love it. Man, such amazing detail in this one. And then the chase one too. Sheesh. Power Ranger. I knew I would get it eventually. Sheesh. Alright, so now to the box of Warner Controls. I'm so excited. That was a good box. Thank you, Rob. Frog Pop Fanatic. I will link him below. Everybody will be linked below. You have to go check him out. Amazing friends of the community. He's one of my Frog Pop is one of my Patreons or channel member, one of the two. All right, see, open it and it looks like this. Oh, okay. It says Sassy, open carefully. Should I open that first? Oh my goodness. So we got some removable, dishwasher safe set of 3 collectible vinyl stickers. Wow, from Washington? That is really cool. We got, oh, oh, is this Princess and the Frog? No way. Anyway, it says Happy Father's Day 2021, but it looks like Tiana when she was a little girl. Oh my goodness. We got the falls that was on this. The Snoqualmie Falls. We got some mist. Guess that's some of that like goo stuff. Cute. Oh, my son's gonna love this if it gets to him. This is amazing. It's a little Zion doll. Oh my god. I don't know if he's gonna get this or not, but I love it. And his little nose is flocked. He's got hair, like real hair almost. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see. Oh, I want to wait till the last to open this. We got some handcrafted golden original rum cake with walnuts. Yummy. To see what that looks like. Let me open it real quick and I'll show you what the inside looks like. It's a cute little box that they put it in. Come on. There we go. Looks good. It's like a bundt cake. Ooh, it's moist. That's gonna be good. A little bundt cake. Yeah, that looks really good. Make sure I've warm it up in the microwave with some cold milk. Yummy, yummy, yum. That's gonna be awesome. And oh my goodness. We got 2 of these. Oh man, I love that. We got a card. Small business card. We got, ooh, I got another magnet. What the more life and travels. That is awesome. Love that. A magnet to go with my other ones, put on my fridge. We got one like this. Geek out with more life and travel. I love that. There's this one. Some says get, I don't know, something. I can't see that small. And then there's a hollow one. Oh man, she hooked me up. Alright, let's see what's in the card. Let's see. I'm sweating in here. My air hasn't been on in here. And it's been super hot. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Alright, it says, thank you. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Sassy, I had to send you this because I know you're a Batman fan. Careful, it's sharp. I threw in a couple of things you might like. If not, feel free to pass them on. Your friends Sean and Alex. So, look at this. Dude, this is sick. Is this the thing she threw in the video? Remember when she threw they threw some stuff at the garage? Oh man, that's awesome. Hopefully. Eventually I'll figure out a way to put it to where it does this. These over. All right. There we go. Awesome. Thank you, Alex and Sean. What an awesome box. Really love every single piece. Everything you put in there, love it. Can't wait to try this rum cake. And this will go on my pen bag, because I do collect pens. Absolutely love pens. I just don't get them very often anymore. I used to get them all the time. So I got 2 pens in this video. That's sick. So anyway, thanks for coming to the Bayou today. Bye.